Alright, so this is Columbus Park in Long Wharf area. This is a T, straight ahead. Right now we're walking towards Long Wharf. To the right is the Marriott Hotel. Over here you can catch the ferry of Salem, Hingham, Charlestown is actually on the other side, but all wrapped around this area are various T ferry options. We'll get more into the actual park. We're kind of like on the edge of Columbus Park and the Long Wharf. All of this is kind of on the edge of the North End in general.
You know how those people do right there.
Here's something that I don't know if this is a ceremony of some sort, but nonetheless, some music. Yeah, it might even be a wedding. Yeah. Yeah, they're walking down, they're using that as the aisle. Yeah, a wedding. So this is Columbus Park. There's a playground over here as well. You can probably see in the distance. Get some more views of the boats. Give you a little reference from here. If you were to go straight down this way, across, there's a nice crosswalk there, heading right into the North End. Paul Revere's house would be up, I don't know, 3, 4 or 5 blocks up on the right.